So, this is the follow-up video from yesterday when I was digging out the stumps over there. This is like an overview of the little digger. That is where I got it from. I'll put a link in the description of their website. The buckets it's got a little 6 or 8 inch bucket. I think it's a 12-inch bucket if I'm correct, and a 40-inch grading bucket. It's swing boom on it, turns very well. Gave it a 10-hour service yesterday morning. It's 8:20, but I did it at 10 hours. The only thing it doesn't have is extendable tracks, which isn't really a problem because I brought it through this little alleyway yesterday. I'll put a picture in now. But the engine on it is very easy to get to service it. There's just 4 bolts this side, 4 bolts the other side, and 1 there, and then this whole back panel comes off. Oil plug is there, not oil fill. Sump plug, I don't think you quite see it on that side, but there's 2 sump plugs on it. One is there. Fuel is very easy to get to. It's just there. It's used hardly any. The only thing I do say about them is just check all the nuts and bolts and everything. So I did have this one that come loose there. Well, that, everything is very easy to get to maintain it. All the grease points are very easy to get to. All over the boom and everywhere. The controls are nice. And all of that stuff. It's got mechanical thumb with it as well. I'll just jump over here and show you that. Mechanical thumb. The only thing I'm going to change about it is these pins to some normal top link pins or drawbar pin off a tractor. All the hoses come wrapped, and it's piped for a breaker, an auger, or anything else, other small attachments. You've got a kill switch here, key, hour meter. This is your forwards and reverse. That is your blade up and down. That's your auxiliary. And that is to swing the boom left and right. It's got a fold down canopy, which I may chop it down an inch or so, just so I can leave it up all the time instead of folding it down. It's got, not that I will ever use it, a little tow hook, or hole to tow something with. There is a strengthening bar on the back, and both wheel motors are there, easily accessible. Hydraulic fill is here, and a thermometer and a gauge there. This is the whole tank here. Then you've got your tank drain, pump return, well, pump feed and then return there. But it's a bloody good machine for what it is. Delivered. Yeah, delivered it cost £5,680 delivered, no VAT on it or anything. I was looking at a 1 ton machine. That weren't much less than this for a, it had fixed boom, one bucket, no thumb or anything, but it were piped, and that was 4,000 plus VAT, so it was 4,800 in total. I'm a bit poorly today, so that's why it's a little bit hard for me to get some words out. The rollers are easily changeable there. To be able to grease the ring under there, it's very easy. Change some of the pipes, you just take that panel off there. And then this cover lifts up. I do need to change four of the hoses around. To the minute, obviously that's your swing on this side. Then backwards and forwards is your dipper. Obviously left and right is your curl bucket, and then up and down on that one is your boom up and down. So I just need to change them around so it's ISO controls. But other than that, it's a very good machine. There'll be lots more videos on it soon. Yesterday was the first time I used the thumb, moving that stump out there. I'll put some more pictures in now of when I did the front garden. Other than that, it's a very handy machine. There'll be a lot more videos with this. I've only ever seen videos in America of these kind of Chinese diggers, but never any, well, there's very few in this country, Britain. But other than that, it is, well, I'm over the moon with it really. Everything's easy. I don't know if I said before, but you've got your throttle control here, just there, and you stop. So that's going to be everything for this video. So please remember to rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.